Hey guys, it's Tanieya. So I'm going to show you how to make this crochet faux loc wig. Here is the wig cap. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. This wig cap was $9.99. I guess it was new in the store. And here is the hair. I'll leave all this information down in the description box for you guys. Okay, so all I'm basically doing is crocheting the faux locs to the braids that are on this wig. Now this wig is definitely cool because it has cornrows already on it, and I'm just spreading out my faux locs because I know that the faux locs don't need to be directly next to each other, and I also just want to make sure I have enough hair as possible. So you can spread out the hair at the bottom and then start to crochet them a little closer together once you get to the top. So I fast forwarded for you guys because it's pretty repetitive. So as you can see at the top, I'm putting them a lot closer together and just basically trying to cover up any of those spaces as much as possible. So once I was done crocheting all the hair, I just basically sewed the cap together. I didn't want to use this as a U-part wig, but you certainly can do that. I wanted this to be a full wig, so I am just sewing the top part together so it'll make a full wig. Okay, so this is the final result of the wig, and you can style it in different ways. So I'm just showing you guys the result of it. Let me know if you like this video. Definitely give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.